Have you been trying to solve your issues with visiting the chiropractor and you're feeling that you're getting more and more dependent from chiropractic adjustment? Yes, this is right. I will tell you that the chiropractic adjustment without any other proper care of your body, without adding mobility work and postural work, is only opening your joints and making them less stable, and then is making you more and more dependent from visiting the chiropractic adjustment, destroying your body and alignment. If you want to find out the best methods to solve your pain issues for good, reaching the best shape of your life, living your life pain-free, join to my free webinar. I'm going to show you how to bulletproof your joints with the real life strong body posture, improving your performance and move your body pain-free for life. My name is Adam, I'm a medical trainer and a human biomechanics specialist with over 10 years of experience traveling around the world, mastering my craft and meeting the best experts from around the world in sport medicine, where I gain a lot of knowledge. After over the 10 years of experience of cracking human biomechanics codes, I specify the best method where I want to share with you my own unique BodyFix therapy, which is created from the 4 phases rehab process. If you want to find out my secrets of solving your pain issues, fixing your posture and upgrading your mobility to the highest level without taking any medication, surgery, without using the oldest chiropractic adjustment, wasting time for physiotherapy, join to my free webinar when I'm going to show you how to bulletproof your body and posture for life, preventing injuries and taking your performance to the highest level.